Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian, and today we're going to be making the old-fashioned cocktail. So the term old-fashioned was first defined in 1860 as a mixture of spirits, sugar, bitters, and water. And even at this time, people were starting to experiment with different creations. However, if you order an old-fashioned cocktail, this is what you would get. So the ingredients that you're going to need are a sugar cube, bitters, rye or bourbon whiskey. I prefer Knob Creek, which is a 100 proof rye whiskey. You're gonna need an orange and obviously cocktail cherry. Now it's time to put everything together. So you're gonna start by taking one sugar cube, and if you don't have a sugar cube, you can use a bar spoon of simple syrup if you have that lying around. Place that into your glass. And then the next step, you're gonna take your bitters and put 4 dashes on top of the sugar cube. 2, 3, 4. You don't actually have to count, by the way, it helps. Now we're gonna go ahead and muddle everything together. Now the next step is to take a piece of ice and put it into the glass. If you can, you want to use one large piece of ice because the old-fashioned cocktail is actually meant to be sipped over time. One piece of ice will melt slower than multiple pieces of ice in the glass. So now the next step is to add 2 ounces of your whiskey into the glass. Now go ahead and give that a stir. And it's very important, you want to stir this drink. Do not want to shake it. Next thing you want to do is take your orange and take off a little piece of it. The orange peel contains oil on the outside of the peel, so we want to go ahead and add that to our drink to create an overall better experience. So we're going to go ahead and rub the outside of the peel around the rim of the glass. So now the next step, and my favorite step, is to add heat to the orange peel to release the rest of the oils straight into the glass. So we're going to take a match. Go ahead and hold the orange peel right over the cup. See that? And that's going to help release all the oils straight into the glass. Go ahead and drop it right in. And now the final step is to take a cocktail cherry and put it right into the glass. There's an old-fashioned cocktail. Cheers. Hey, so if you guys like this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe below. Doing so helps out the YouTube algorithm and pushes this video to a wider audience. Thanks for watching.